Hello, everyone. Today I invite you to listen to a very meaningful story called The Story of the Apple Tree. Before we begin, imagine a quiet village in the countryside. There is a wide green field. There are small houses with red roofs. Children run and laugh in the warm sunlight. And in the center of the field stands a very old apple tree. This tree has stood there for many years. It has seen children grow up. It has seen seasons come and go. But among all the children who played in the field, there was one little boy the tree loved the most. This is the story of that boy and the tree that loved him more than anything. Let us begin. Many years ago, in a peaceful village, there lived a little boy named Tommy. Tommy was cheerful and full of energy. Every afternoon after school, he ran to the big apple tree near his home. The apple tree was tall and strong. Its branches spread wide like open arms. Its leaves were green and fresh, and every summer it grew sweet red apples. Tommy loved the tree very much. He climbed its branches. He swung from its limbs. He picked apples and ate them happily. Sometimes he even lay down under the tree and fell asleep in the cool shade. The tree loved Tommy too. Every day it waited for him. When Tommy arrived, the tree felt joyful. The leaves moved softly in the wind, as if they were laughing with him. Those were happy days, but time passed. Tommy slowly grew older. He began to go to school more often. He made new friends. He had many new interests. And little by little, he stopped visiting the apple tree. The tree waited for him every day. But Tommy did not come. The tree felt lonely. One day, after many years, Tommy returned. But now he was not a little boy anymore. He was a young boy with a serious face. The tree felt excited. "My dear boy," the tree said happily, "you are back. Come, climb my branches and play with me." But Tommy shook his head. "I am not a little child anymore," he said. "I do not want to play around trees. I want toys. I want to have fun with my friends. But I have no money to buy toys." The tree thought quietly for a moment. Then it said gently, "I do not have money, my boy. But you can pick my apples and sell them. Then you will have money." Tommy's face brightened. "That's a great idea," he said. He climbed the tree and picked every apple. He filled baskets with them and carried them away. The tree watched happily. It was glad to help him, but after that day, Tommy did not return, and the tree waited again. Many years passed. One warm afternoon, the tree saw someone walking toward it. It was Tommy again. Now he was a grown young man. The tree was very happy, "My boy." The tree said, "Come and play with me again." But the young man shook his head. "I do not have time to play," he said. "I must work. I want to build a house for my family, but I have no wood." The tree thought quietly. Then it said kindly, I do not have a house to give you, but you can cut my branches. You can use them to build your house." The young man smiled. "That will help me a lot." He cut off the tree's branches. He carried them away. The tree felt pain as its branches were cut. But it was happy because the boy was happy. Once again, the young man left. And once again, the tree waited. Years passed again. The tree grew older. Without branches, it could not give shade like before. But it still waited. Then one hot summer day, the man returned again. Now Tommy looked tired. His hair was starting to turn gray. The tree was happy to see him. "My dear boy," the tree said gently, "I am happy you are here. Come and rest in my shade." But the man shook his head. "I am very tired," he said. "My life has been busy. I want to travel across the sea, but I need a boat." The tree thought for a moment. Then it said quietly, "I do not have a boat, but you can cut down my trunk. You can build a boat from my wood." The man's eyes filled with hope. "Yes, that will work." And so he cut down the tree's great trunk. He built a boat. Then he sailed away. The tree was now only a stump. But it was happy because the boy was happy. Many, many years passed. The village changed. The children in the field grew up. The old tree stump remained. Then, one quiet afternoon, an old man slowly walked toward the stump. It was Tommy. Now he was very old. His back was bent. His hair was white. The tree recognized him immediately. "My dear boy," the tree said softly, "I wish I could give you apples. But I have no apples now." The old man smiled gently. "I have no teeth to eat apples," the tree said sadly. "I wish I had branches for you to climb." The old man shook his head. "I am too old to climb trees," the tree whispered. "I wish I had a strong trunk for you to sit on, but all I have left is this old stump." The old man smiled warmly. "My dear tree," he said softly, "I do not need apples. I do not need branches. I do not need boats. I am tired. I only need a quiet place to sit and rest." The tree felt great joy. "Come," it said gently, "sit down and rest." The old man sat on the stump. The tree felt happy, even without apples, even without branches, even without its trunk. The tree was happy simply because the boy had come back. This story is a simple story, but it carries a deep meaning. The apple tree is like our parents. When we are young, we love playing with them. We run to them when we need comfort. As we grow older, we become busy. We leave home. We return only when we need something. But our parents are always the same. They always give. They always forgive. They always welcome us back with love, just like the apple tree. Thank you for watching and listening to the story. The story of the apple tree, which tells about the endless love that parents have for their children. If you enjoyed this story and found it meaningful, Please subscribe, like, and share to support our channel. We look forward to seeing you in our next videos. Goodbye, and see you again soon.